and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing out the Manifest palette by BPerfect Cosmetics. Now I know this has actually been out for a little while now, but I wanted to get my hands on it for so long and I finally did, and I am so excited to try this out. So the outer sleeve looks like this, which is absolutely stunning. It's got like this holographic effect to it, and then the packaging of the actual palette is the same. I just love this. I could sit and do this all day. And then the colours are like this, which are just so pretty and so beautiful. I think the colours actually go with the packaging really well. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this because they're not, well, I'd say that some of them are colours I'd normally go for, like the plummy shades. But then there's other colours in here that I wouldn't necessarily like gravitate towards. So these are the swatches from the top row. So we've got Buzzin', Trance, Influencer, Rabbit Hole, Pride, which is a pressed glitter, and Oh Mummy. And then these are from the bottom row. So we've got Instaglam, Higher Love, Secret, In the Mix, BPB, and 10 Second Tan. Right, I thought I'd try and sort of do it that way because I'm not very good at swatching. Normally I'm like this and you can't see them. But yeah, so you've seen what the colours are like. And yeah, I can't wait to get this on my face. So let's just go ahead and try it out. Okay, so I think right in my crease, I'm going in with this one here called 10 Second Tan.
There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. Let me know when you're here, meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it.
And then just above that colour, I think I'm going to go out into this one here called Instaglam.
Someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up.
And then I'm just going to blend where they join.
Losing our minds, and if we do, then if we don't, then if we give in what we want.
Okay, they've blended together really nicely actually. And then right on this outer corner here, I'm going to go in with this one here called Oh Mummy. I'm not very keen on that colour. No, I'll take that back. It's not the colour I'm not keen on. It is a little bit, I did wonder if they were going to be too close, to be honest, anyway, but it's a little bit too close to this colour. That's not what I was after. So do you know what I'm going to do is actually cut my whole crease on this eye. Then I might go in with this Rabbit Hole right on this outer part here just to smoke it out. And then we'll go in with the shimmer. So I'm just going to go away and just cut this crease. Right, okay, so I have now cut that crease. So the next thing I'm going to do is just on this outer, very outer corner here, I'm going to go in with Rabbit Hole. So it's this really dark brown shade. So I'm going to go back over that again, but what I'm going to do is do the shimmer on my cut crease first. So I think I'm going to go in with this one here called Higher Love. My God, that shimmer is absolutely stunning. A bit of fallout from it, but yeah, we can forgive that because it's so pretty. Right, okay, so what I'm going to do is just blend this dark back into that again.
Spinning around, losing our
Right, so underneath, I think I'm actually going to take this dark shade underneath as well.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
Yeah, I like that. Okay, and then right on my very inner corner and just under my brow bone, I'm going to go in with Buzzin', so this one here.
Let me figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
Beautiful. Right, okay, so I'm just going to go and finish off the other eye, put some lashes on, lippy, and just clean up underneath where that fallout is, and I will be back. And here is the finished look. Yeah, it's nice. Oh, I tell you what, at the moment, hay fever, this is twice now that I've been trying to do an eye look, and my hay fever has played up so much. It watered like crazy. It took me about half an hour to pop this lash on because it kept getting diluted by my tears. And yeah, underneath here it just kept, yeah, let's not talk about it anymore. Yes, it's in the past. So yeah, I do really like the palette. It's really nice, it's lovely and pigmented, really blendable, like, to be honest, the other BPerfect palettes that I've tried as well. And yeah, it's a really nice colour range in there as well. Obviously I've gone for quite a bold look today, but you could quite easily make a more natural look out of this by like just using like these shades here and maybe a bit of the brown. So yeah, I think it's absolutely stunning. And this colour here would make a gorgeous highlighter. So I'll give you a quick close-up of the eyes before they start to water again. Do ignore the inner corner of this one. Yeah, it just wasn't playing ball. But yeah, so this is how the eyes are looking. So yeah, I think it's really nice. I don't often go for like a full cut crease look, but I think it's worked quite well with this. Yeah, I'm really happy. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you enjoyed watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.
Every change